Right, so a bit of a different video today. I had planned on doing a full produced scripted video like my normal stuff for this product. This is the FXT DVR, which I thought could be a viable replacement for the Powerplay, which, as some of you know, seems to be discontinued now. I'm still hoping that they'll bring out another version, Powerplay 2 or whatever. But anyways, yeah, I thought this was going to be a viable option because it's 50 or 60 frames per second. It's an FPV DVR. Let's get it out. So, just like the Powerplay, it records onto micro SD cards through a 3.5mm jack. It's got a built-in battery. Yeah, on paper it all seemed good. But I mean, if you're not bothered about watching this video, the short version is the footage ain't great and the audio is very bad, unusably bad. So don't bother, basically. But in case you're interested in why it's bad, I will talk you through it now, and I'll show you some comparisons of the footage at the end. So what you get in the box is a 3.5 to 3.5mm jack. It is the exact same situation as the Powerplay. You either need a spacer or a custom cable, or get lucky with the right VX cable. Yeah, you also get a 3.5 to female RCA. So what's the score with this thing? Obviously there's no screen. Instead, this has got a built-in Wi-Fi transmitter, which you can see when the green light's flashing, it's broadcasting a Wi-Fi network. And you can download an app and view the live recording or your clips in the app, which sounds great, except that the app is not very good and very unintuitive, as well as the QR codes on the box for downloading. I don't know about iOS, but I'm on Android. The Android one doesn't go anywhere. The app isn't in the Play Store. You have to install some janky APK. So straight away, the experience wasn't great out of the box. Also, it doesn't come with any way to charge the inbuilt battery. Luckily, because I'm into FPV stuff, I've got goggle batteries that fit this hole. I also found out my A10 mini charger works for it as well. But a bit frustrating that there's no way to charge it in the box and no instructions of how to charge it. Yeah, then the app itself, maybe I can show you now. You connect, oh, I've lost it, fuck. Alright, you connect to the DVR. Let's connect the DVR to something so you can actually see what's going on. So yeah, this is pretty much my experience of the app. It either doesn't work, again, it's not working. So we turn it off and on again. Hope we can find the Wi-Fi network, because it doesn't always appear. I tend to have to go to my saved networks and just hope it comes on. There it is. Connect. There we go. Oh, we're going to be able to hear ourselves. Right, so this is what you get in the app. You get a live view of the feed, which is pretty cool. The latency pops up and down with the signal, but that's fine. You can also view the clips that are stored on the SD card. I don't think I've got one in there right now. And yeah, you get all these symbols at the bottom. Let's go uppy closely. And as you can see, they're really hard to figure out what any of them mean. But, you know, not the end of the world. And you don't really need to use the app. You can just press the button on the side to start and stop the recording. But, as I said, the recording isn't very good. So let's take a look at the footage now. Yeah. So one other thing to mention, the clips straight out of the DVR don't work in Premiere, which is super annoying. So you first have to convert it to MP4 to get it to work, and after you've done that, it'll work. I'm going to show the clip of Suryan doing the half cab blunt backside flip that you've seen 1,000 times. A warning to headphone users, look out, here we go. Yeah, so that wasn't nice, was it? And the Powerplay actually sounds 10 times better, 1,000 times better. Anyway, here's the same clip at 40% speed. It actually does the motion really well. The 50 frames per second does matter a lot, 60 for NTSC. But the picture quality is just really bad. Yeah, so in terms of motion, it is quite on par with the Powerplay, I'd say. But just the picture quality is so bad. The audio is unbearable. I actually think the picture quality is worse than the Earsheen DVR from my first video. So let's compare that now. Obviously the motion is awful. That's what, we've got this at 40% as well. And it records in the wrong aspect ratio, so you have to squish it. But I do think the colours and the detail is better on this. So yeah, just naff overall. Very disappointing. Thank you for watching anyway. I'll keep looking. Hopefully I can find something better. And yeah, catch you in the next one. Toodles.
Yeah.